Okay, so for this year, I have three ELLs, and they really don't have any idea what I'm saying in class. Anyway, for my 20 time project, I have this Google slide template where, they have to kind of fill each of the slides out, and, each of the slides, they know what to do based on this. And yeah, my first slide is from Mr. Theriault, right? I think that's how you say his last name. But anyways, my ELL student asked me, Miss Choi, can we translate this in Spanish? And over here I have the Google Translate extension, and it didn't work. It only translates the top. And then I went into the add-ons, and believe it or not, they don't have anything for translate. Oh no, my screen's not popping up. There you go. So if you look up, I typed in Spanish and nothing was there. Translate, nothing's there. And they have the add-on for Google Docs, but not this. So anyhow, I stumbled upon this site. I don't even know how to make this big. I know that everybody else knows how, but I don't. So anyway, this is the link, but that's not important. I'm just going to show you what to do. They tell you what to do. So anyway, what you have to do is you have to create a new Google presentation. And so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go ahead and make a copy over here. And I'm just going to call it Idea Farm Spanish. I'm so excited that I found this. And so now I have my copy. And then from here, the direction says that I have to go into tools. Am I right? So it says tools and then script editor. So I'm going to go into tools and then script editor. Of course, my computer runs really slow whenever I try and record something, and I'm excited. So then as it's opening up, let me just go back. And then it says, you're going to delete any code and then rename code.gs to translate.gs. And so that's what I'm going to do. Whatever is in here, I'm just going to delete all of it. And then I'm going to rename this by clicking on that and call it translate.gs. That kind of takes a while. So it still says code.js, but anyway, so I'm going to go back, and then I have to create a new file by selecting File, New HTML file. Oh, enter new file name. I'm going to say translate. So then File, New HTML file. And then it tells us to title it Sidebar. So I'm just going to do exactly what it tells me to do. So I have two tabs open. Then, see, we don't have to code ourselves because of this website, and we just can copy and paste. So for the translate.gs section, I'm just going to copy here, starting from the function all the way to the bottom. Yeah, okay. I thought I was gonna go down too far. And now I'm gonna go back, and over here, I'm just going to go ahead and paste it. Then I'm gonna go to the sidebar.html, right? And then I'm going to go ahead and first delete everything except for the doc type thing over there. And then starting from HTML, I'm just going to copy and paste the HTML code. Thank goodness for all these programmers and coders out there. This is why I love computer science, right? So people like me who don't know much can just copy and paste. Thank goodness to GitHub and all that. Okay, so there you go. I am done. And then what we have to do is click on File, Save All. All we have to do is follow directions. Or Save All. There you go. Save All. So now we get to reload our Google Slides. And now when you click on add-ons, Yay, finally. There you see. Translate.gs, the code that we just put in. And then you can go ahead and open Translate, and you have to give it authorization. And then it asks you one more thing. What's it asking me now? Oh, my account. I'm using my account. Okay, let's allow. So now this thing pops up. I don't know if you can see, so I can just select Spanish. You know, I'm Korean, so if there was Korean here, an option for Korean, I can see if the translation is good, but it doesn't matter. I don't know any Spanish. But yeah, first I have to select everything because right now everything is in English, right? Oh no, I just wanted everything like really select all. Yeah, like that. So I selected all my slides and I clicked on Spanish, and then I'm going to click on translate. And I don't know if the translation is good or not, but I'm pretty sure my ELL student is now going to be able to understand what he's supposed to put in each of the slides, right? I hope so. Okay, so I just wanted to share this with everybody, but mainly with myself.